Hi guys, just wanted to let y'all know about what I'm doing and what's coming in the future on my page. And by the way, thanks to all the subscribers, comments, and likes. I don't ever ask. I'll leave it up to you all. And also thanks to the 30% or so that are watching at the end of my vids. Takes a lot to make YouTube videos right and do all the editing and everything. It takes time. I took this saw apart last night. It's a Husky 261. I bought it as a part saw along with another 261 that was running. This saw right here was fairly clean. I have not cleaned on it. But I'll be the first to admit I'm a hick that hacks chainsaws, but I know my limitations. And ever who replaced this concave piston in this thing, they should have put a flat top in it. Put the piston in backwards. So this is on the exhaust side. Right there was where the pin was at. And that caused, let's see if I can get this way y'all can see it. There you go. One cylinder junked. So that's going to be about $60 for Chinese unitated cylinder and piston. It's missing the PTO cover. It's missing the muffler. Handle and cord, no problem. So this will be in my lineup to be to have a new piston jug put on it and be ported. This over here is what's in line first. I'm working on it. I'm just waiting on some parts for doing the tooling that I'm gonna need to do on it to port it and get the squish right and everything. It's a Husky 50 that I bought a 55 conversion cylinder and piston for. So it's going from a 44 millimeter to a 46. So all that right there is new. And then I got a 550 XP that I'm anxious to get into, but I'm just holding myself back because I want to get this one finished first. And this will be the first stuffer crank chainsaw I've ever done. I'm anxious to get into it. I've got the cylinder and piston and everything was shot when I got it. The ring retaining pin and the intake size of the piston came out and ruined the jug and the piston, of course. So I got a new one, a kit to do it all. Let's see, other than that, after I finish these, I got some steels I'm going to work on. And during all this, I got a McCulloch Power Max 6 that I got to get back together. I'm putting rings in it and a piston. And I've got a Mac 110 I need to get back together that I got rings for. So lots going on here in the future. So if you want to keep up, you can subscribe if you want to. And doesn't do anything for me, but if you subscribe, hit that notification bell, because that will let you know when I post another vid. So, hope everybody's well. I think I'm getting over COVID. I'll know after tomorrow. I'm going to get tested tomorrow. Didn't bother me too bad. I've had flu much worse. But I didn't go to the doctor. That was the last place I wanted to go. I'm not going to get into opinionating about that, but anyhow, everybody take care. Thanks for looking.